This is the elevator here at JCPenney at Freehold Raceway Mall in Freehold, New Jersey. And look at this, we've got a Montgomery vector. If I remember correctly, another mall in New England also had a JCPenney with a Montgomery vector. Which one was it?
I can't remember.
I hate to say it, but that call button seen some better days.
2. We're close when you push the button. We like that.
Alright, let's just...
One.
88, oh, sorry.
The only thing I don't like about vectors is the fact that the floor buttons are non-ADA compliant.
Yeah, that's, I was thinking the same thing. I had to tell you what, I want to take one more ride by myself.
Okay. Alright. I'll be there at another ride. Wait.
Alright. And let's say arrivederci to that fan, and I'll turn it back on when I'm done. Oops. Just shut the door on somebody. Let's turn the fan back on. It was on high. Cab view. Just a basic vector. I accidentally shut the door on somebody upstairs.
Well, after that, I don't think I want to stick around.
Alright, and there it goes, and I like the red doors.
Yeah.
That's it.